Hello, Rockstar Brewski here, and I'm going to review the 7-inch HD monitor that sits on top of your camera, and it's made by Feelworld, and it was $159 on Amazon for the 6600 milliamp version of the battery. I bought the larger battery because I wanted it to go a little bit longer in between charges, and I thought I'd show you what all comes with this because there's a lot that comes with this. First of all, it comes with hood, so when you're outside you can put that over the monitor. It also comes with a plastic hood right here. Comes with two different adapter wires to HDMI. One's the mini and one's the medium size depending on your camera. Several different adapters to get it on top of your camera, and a bendy little arm here to get it a little bit higher if you need to. It comes with a DC input and the charger that you can use, either plug it in or you can use the DC input on this, and of course the user manual and a cleaning kit. So right now I'm looking at the monitor, so let me pull it down on the camera so you can see what it looks like on top of the camera. Okay, you can see the monitor right here. It looks fairly nice. It attaches with the on the hot shoe here, and it has an adjustment so you can move it around in different angles and tighten that up. It's got the power button right under there, and it has the menu button so you can cycle through and see different settings for aspect ratio and even color temperature. A lot of different modes there. And it works pretty good. On the side you can see it has the connectors, and on the back it'll tell you what those connectors do. You have your DC power 12 volt input. It did not come with the DC power 12 volt input. However, you can buy one from Feelworld or from someone else, as long as it's rated the same. Full HDMI connector, AV mini connector, headphone connector. I would say that it has a built-in speaker. I couldn't figure out a way to shut off the built-in speaker yet. If not, you just use headphones, and you have to turn your headphone volume down if you have a volume on there, because I didn't see the volume on this either. But I do have a headphone volume on my headphones, or I would just put a jack in here and it would negate any audio coming out. OSD controller, which I don't use, but I'm sure other people might use, and USB upgrade for the firmware upgrade. On the side you can see that's got the 66 milliamp battery, and that works pretty good. It just pops out pretty easily, and you just push a button here, it comes out. You can see right here the connectors look a lot like the Sony battery connectors. So I'm guessing the Sony batteries or other batteries may work in this as long as they're rated the same. You can check with Feelworld on that. But I bought the 6600 milliamp battery because it was a little bit more money, but it'll last a lot longer. And I didn't mind the extra weight for what I'm using it for. Okay, overall I like this monitor. It attaches easily. It's fairly slim. I think if I was using handheld on this, I would go with the smaller battery instead of the 6600 milliamp, go with a little bit smaller for weight. But when I use it on a tripod, it's not too heavy, and it works really well. For the price, I don't think you can beat it. And I hope you enjoyed this honest review. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I hope you have a great day.